Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Roger Eastlick with businesswebsiteceo.com, and in this video we're going to explore WordPress's user roles. As you can see, what I have up in front of you right now is the codex, WordPress codex for the summary of roles. It explains that there are 6 roles within WordPress. The first one, the super admin, actually only comes in with a multi-site install. Basically, it is king of everything in a multi-site install, just as administrator is, a regular administrator is the king and has all the administrative features and can do anything and everything within a single site. So it starts at the highest level as an administrator. Next, you have an editor who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users, but has no access to the configuration of the back end. The author, who can publish and manage only their own posts. Then followed by the contributor is somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. Okay, and finally a subscriber is someone who can only manage their own profile. So the reason you might want to have a subscriber is so that they can get access to private blog posts, for example. So you might have a small sort of informal membership site going, and that would be where you just add users manually as subscribers, and then they would be able to see posts that other people who aren't logged in would not be able to see. Okay, let's take a look at this real quick, what this looks like. This is what an administrator has control of. So you see the menu has those 2 parts that we've talked about a couple times. The first half being the content editing and creating section, and then the second half being the backend configuration section. Okay, you'll notice that if we look at what happens with our new user George, whom we've made an editor, you'll notice that when he logs in, he only has that first half of the section that allows him to deal with editing and creating content. Okay, and if we were to log out, well, actually we don't have to log out. Let's go back in. Let's see what happens. If we go to what I want to do very quickly is to be able to go to this right here. I want to be able to change George from an editor to the next level down, which is author, and we'll save that. And now let's see if we have to log out or not. It's being a little bit slow on me here, that's the problem. Alright, so here's George again. Let's see what happens if we refresh his page, reload his page. Okay, now you see that he's reduced down to posts, media, and comments. Alright, and we actually did post something as the author. But you'll notice that if you click on all, he's got mine up here. You'll notice that as the author, George as the author, no longer he can see the other WordPress he can see the other posts that have been published, but they're not. There's no hyperlink. He cannot modify them. Okay, so he's lost that ability over what he would have had as an editor. The next step down. Okay, so it would be nice if this thing were faster. All right, so the next step down is good old George. We're going to make George from an author, we're going to make him a contributor. All right, and we're going to update this user, and we're going to go back to the next section here. Okay, we're going to we'll just click on dashboard. That should give him. All right, so now you got just posts and comments. If we click on all posts, then you've got the he can just see that there's another author post in there, but he can't do anything with it. If he clicks on add new, then he has the ability to create a post. And I guess I don't have any text to put in there. Anyway, we have created this. The only thing he can do at this point is submit it for review. Okay, that's the only thing that he can do at this point. And if we go one final step down, then what you're going to see, is we should be all the way down to subscriber at this point. Yes, subscriber. And the subscriber, you're going to see good old George. The only thing George has left is, well, the only thing I have left is the wrong web page. All right, there we go. All right, now the only thing George has left, look at this thing, it says posts. It says reload. Well, we're going to go ahead and don't reload. We're going to go over the dashboard and then leave this page. He has nothing left now as a subscriber except the profile. And that is his own profile, which he can modify. Nothing else. So this has been an investigation and exploration of WordPress's user roles. I hope it's been edifying, if not entertaining. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. Thanks. Thanks for watching. This is Roger Eastlick with Business Website CEO. Have a great day.